Joy Bostic, and I'm coming to you from the Georgia Real Estate Educators Association annual school meeting. And this morning, I had the pleasure of, for the second time, hearing Pierre speak. And let me tell you something. For the second time, I was mesmerized. He held my attention the entire time. He entertained, he informed, he educated, he motivated, he inspired. You know, when I think about all of the years that I've gone through education and different courses and things like that, Pierre rates up there at the top. If you want a really good experience and you want to walk away with things that you can actually put in place tonight, then you need to bring Pierre in. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.